The mission behind Ekal Abhiyan is to transform and empower India. Through Ekal Gramothan Foundation, Ekal Abhiyan is providing organic farming training to the farmers of rural and tribal areas, that is educating them about the benefits of organic farming. Through this program, the farms have started practicing the organic way of agriculture and have also started earning more with the same investment as earlier.
जैविक खेती का प्रशिक्षण हमको मिला बालीगढ़ा ओसीटी सेंटर से। जैविक खेती में हम लोगों का जो बेनिफिट हुआ है, रासायनिक खेती में पहले लागत लगता था, रुपया खर्चा करना पड़ता था, अभी वो चीज़ नहीं करना पड़ रहा है। घरेलू जो गोबर है, ये गोबर से ही खाद तैयार हो जा रहा है और इसी से सब्जी उग रहा है।
Talking about the benefits of organic farming, practicing this system helps in saving soil, water, and air. It also helps in creating awareness about cattle protection. It also improves the economic situation of the underprivileged farmers, making agriculture more profitable and economical for them to run their livelihood.
लगभग पहले जब 2-3 साल बाद एक बार जिस जगह में हम करते थे रासायनिक खेती, तो वो ठीक रहता था, लेकिन 1-2 बार करने से बाद उसके क्या हो जाता है, उसका फसल भी बहुत कम हो जाता था। लेकिन जो भी खेती में ऐसा नहीं है, दिन प्रतिदिन वो बढ़ती ही जा रहा है, तो उसमें हम लोग का भी फायदा है, बेनिफिट है।
One of the most essential parts of Ekal Gramothan's organic farming training is providing training to families living in villages to set up a nutritional garden, Poshan Vatika. And through this program, awareness has been spread among rural families about the benefits of healthy food. Organic farming has many benefits that include immunity against diseases like anemia, diabetes, blood pressure, heart stroke, and cancer. Ekal Abhiyan is providing organic farming training to the farmers and educates them about the benefits of organic farming. Through this program, the farms have started practicing the organic way of agriculture, which is both economical and eco-friendly.